the cool things you can do in Excel is you can hide rows or sections that you're not necessarily using, right? So let's say I didn't really care about the month of February and March. I could actually just highlight column G and column H, click hide, all right? Oh. Unhide, okay. Okay, so I'm going to click on, I don't know why it hid my whole spreadsheet. Right click G and H, all right, and then click hide. And you will notice that column G and H just got hidden, right? So this is a cool way to hide particular columns or rows that you're not using. So if I wanted to hide Golden State and Orlando, I can do the same thing, right click hide. And Golden State and Orlando will be hidden, and I won't really need to use them if I don't need them, okay? So to unhide the rows after I've hidden them, all I have to do is go between the cells that they exist in, and the way you can tell is there's usually always two lines, or you can kind of tell it's a thicker line. You just right-click, unhide, and it will unhide the particular rows for you that were hidden. And the same goes for columns and rows, right? You go between the rows, you right-click, and you select unhide, and you'll be able to unhide them unless they don't want to come back. All right, so this is a cool way to basically work within your spreadsheet without affecting it drastically if you're only looking for specific information. All right.